Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to generate AI images using photos or text in Capcut. So for us to be able to proceed, this one is actually done through a web browser. So we're going to use the web or online version of Capcut. And for us to be able to begin, here onto the search bar, we're going to type in Capcut text to image. Click on to enter, and then you should be able to find in this specific result. So the AI text to image generator. Click onto that one and then you'll get redirected onto CapCut's website. Now here, onto their website, we'll just need to go ahead and scroll down further until we find in the text to image for free. So you'll just need to simply click onto that one again so that we'll get redirected onto the right page. Now, right after that, you should be able to find in an instruction or a guide on how to generate creative images based on word prompts or on how to use the text to image generator. So let's just close that one out. So let's try this. So you could choose aspect ratio for that, the number of images to be generated, its styles. So let's just leave that one as it is, some advanced settings as well, and there are some samples. So you could actually use a photo as well. As a reference, you'll just have to click onto this button. But for this one, we're just going to type in some prompts in here to generate. So for example, we want to generate a superhero dog. So we're just going to go ahead and leave that one and let's add in wearing a cape. So we're going to click on to generate in here and let's just try to see what it will give us. Now, as you can see, here are the result, and we definitely did got a superhero dog wearing a cape. So right after, if you hover onto the pictures, you could go ahead and download this, generate something similar, and there are more options like use this as a reference image or use its prompt. You could also give a feedback your like, dislike, or you could report the certain photo that you have generated. And that is just basically it, how you generate AI images using photos or text in CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.